Hey guys, it is Sunday, November 24th, 2024, and I'm in Jordan, New York, which is on the CSX line right behind me. And today I've come up this way to go to the Central New York Model Railroad Club and Historical Society's open house to see the train layout. And they have a train station on the Finger Lakes Railway line down in Elbridge. So I'm waiting for that to open. So it starts at 10. I got here early, and hopefully we'll catch the Finger Lakes Railway going by their station. I got friends in Geneva, and they said they had trains hasn't left yet, so I don't know if that's going to happen. But it's not a nice day. I don't know if you can hear. I'm under an umbrella. You can hear the rain coming down. But I thought I'd just come here and see if I catch any trains, and maybe catch a CSX Heritage unit. I don't hold my breath. I have bad luck with them. But that'll be today's adventure. So let's see stuff we can see today. Hey, somebody made a nice little spike stack. Probably a rail fan. Well, this is interesting. My watch apparently didn't like the sound of the train horn that just went by. Okay, so we're in Elbridge, and this is the station that houses the Central New York Model Railroad Club's train layout. Like I said, this weekend was their open house, Saturday and Sunday, so let's go in and check out the layout. Oh, and I was hoping that the Finger Lakes Railway would come by here. They haven't come by yet. Usually they go from Geneva out to Solvay, which is near Syracuse, and back. So maybe we'll get lucky and see a Finger Lakes Railway train go by.
That's awesome. 20 by 8 inches, 8 or 9 inches, yeah, about 8.
Here's some shelving with extra rolling stock. Okay, keep in mind this is a work in progress. And this is a two-tier layout. Top curve and the bottom curve.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Thanksgiving? We'll find something. I got brownies. I've got some store-bought mashed potatoes.
See the tender, see the picture underneath that light? See the tender, see the light on it?
Yeah.
That's it. That's cool. A lot of that stuff, you know,
Yeah.
with the bells and all of it. You don't mind you.
This diamond actually sat right down there at the cross.
Oh, no kidding.
That's another piece of local.
And like I said, keep in mind, this is a work in progress. This thing is going to look cool as all get out when they have the scenery up. And then we're doing the top level. All right, here's a model of the station that we are currently in.
What is it?
Oh, that's the skirting. Oh, and it's like.
Okay, come around here.
HO is
Got a turntable.
your ratio to real life.
The upper level, you can go
Every foot
down.
in real life, it's 87 feet.
We drove out in the layout like this, right?
Okay, you're right.
So this is interesting. Got this elevated level on the lower level.
Jimmy said that choices are.
No, that's James. So anything. Covered hoppers are rare right now. Simply because
Now here's Jordan,
the building across the
and I'm watching this layout. My friend named Jordan.
Sydney. Before that, it's just off Interstate 88. And then before that, I was at a was still a Delaware County. Remember, right?
Yeah, Delaware, Broome.
My brother-in-law lived there for a month.
Oh, a month, that's awesome. I was there 18 years.
So I had been to Sydney, I moved him in, helped move him out.
Yeah.
And then I don't know if you heard from
And we got the top view.
Finger Lakes from Mount Geneva to Salt Lake.
Okay.
And east is that way.
Okay.
And on the CSX, which is up top, we go from.
All right, this is pretty cool. Got a barge and a coal dock here.
Okay.
Okay, in this back quarter, we got a second layout, smaller one.
Pretty cool, huh, buddy?
What's cool this spot, you can run this layout here, and then you can look out the window to the Finger Lakes Railway line. We have professional model railroad engineer Kevin running the Elko, doing numerous car moves. Look at that precision. The excellent throttle skills. This is an HO truck, RC. There's a local locomotive from years ago, and look at the tent. Or the tent has got a cow catcher. And the headlamp on the back. They have it at the station. Some railroad collectibles here. Another headlamp.
Got a spur behind.